Well, I decided I'm going to put power brakes on this thing, and this is the brake booster. I'll unbox this and see what it looks like. Well, I set it up in here. It's not gonna fit there. It's into the valve cover. It looks like I might be able to get it down below this somewhere. I'll have to play around with it. I gotta figure out where to mount it. I got it all plumbed in, and I had to go rent a tubing maker, but I did get lines made and they don't seem to be leaking. I haven't test drove it yet, but I started the motor up and it's got much better brakes. Now I'm trying to figure out a way to mount that little bracket there where I got it taped on the firewall. I'm not real enthusiastic about the way it looks, but basically the cleanest and simplest place to put it. The only other place would be up here and by the front of the motor, and it'll quite a bit more brake line. This is straight. I think this is probably the best compromise altogether. I gotta figure out how to bore holes in this. Well, that was a little bit of a trick, drilling these holes from the inside, but it did get them in, and you can see my thing is not going to touch anywhere. So I guess that's good enough. Go ahead and put a couple nuts on it. See what that looks like. Well, we're going to see if this thing will